What's up, guys? Do a quick video real quick. I got this 2018 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD High Country Duramax, right? Bought it about a month ago. Seen the fog lights not working. Changed the bulbs, still wasn't working. On the indicator on the dashboard, it said that the fog lights was on, right? You know how you press the button here? This button right here? So two green, green indicators would show that the lights were on, but they still wasn't working. So what I did, got my big behind up under here. Bear with me, guys. Got my big behind up under here, right? And this, let me see if we can see it right here. Let me show you guys. That connector right there, it was loose. So once I put that connector back together, fog lights came on. 2018 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD High Country Duramax. Thank y'all for watching.